Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to be practicing addition and subtraction stories, and I want you to be listening really closely to the story so you can tell me if it's addition or if it's subtraction. Remember, addition is adding quantities together, subtraction is taking away and getting less. And so we're going to be practicing those two math concepts today. And I want you to have a paper and a pencil ready so you can write the addition sentences with me or the subtraction sentences with me. And then also I want you to go to your kitchen and see if you have some beans. Okay, because today I'm going to want you to use some beans and follow along with the addition and subtraction stories with me, okay? So you can go ahead and pause the video now. You can stop the video now and go look for some beans, and so that you can have them in front of you and so that you can follow along with me. So go ahead and you can stop the video now, grab your materials, and then we will start. So go ahead. All right, if you are back, then let's get started. Make sure you have your beans ready. Listen along with Miss Ayala. And so here we go. So Miss Ayala had 2 beans. So make sure you put 2 beans in front of you. Miss Ayala had 2 beans, and then I got 4 more. So I have 2 beans and I got 4 more. 2 beans and 4 more. All right. How many beans do I have all together? So if I add them together, how many beans do I have? 6. So I have 2, and I'm going to add 4 more, and that makes 6. Is this addition or subtraction? It's addition. So I am going to write an addition sentence. So here we go. Get your paper and your pencil ready, and let's write this addition sentence. And I want you to write number 1 because this is going to be the first addition sentence. So then here I go. Number 1. I have 2. Now am I going to use the plus sign or the minus sign? Plus sign. Plus. How many did I add? 4 equals, what was the total altogether? 6. Good. Good job. All right, now keep your paper and your pencil. Don't erase it. I'm going to erase it because I have a whiteboard. But let's do the next addition and subtraction story. And let me get my little eraser ready. Hold on. All right, here it is. Okay, so now I'm going to move my beans aside, and I'm going to do the next math problem. We have our addition plus sign minus subtraction sign, and here we go. Get your beans ready. And so now let's see. I'm going to pick a student to be the next character in the story, and let's see. Let's pick Nia. So Nia has 5 beans. So go ahead and grab 5 beans and put them in front of you. So Nia has 5 beans. Okay. And then Nia is so nice. She ran into her friend, let's see who, Melanie. So Nia had 5 beans and she ran into her friend Melanie and she said, "Hey Melanie, would you like some beans?" And so Nia gave 1 of her beans to Melanie. So she had 5 beans and she gave 1 away to Melanie. She took it away, gave it to Melanie. Is this an addition story or a subtraction story? It is a subtraction story because Nia had 5 beans and she took away 1 of her beans and gave it to Melanie. And so how many was she left with? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's write that subtraction story. So on your paper, you're going to write number 2. Okay, number 2. And now let's write the subtraction story. How many beans did Nia have to begin with? What was the total? 5. So she had 5 beans. And then Did she add beans or did she take away beans? She took away beans, so we're going to use the subtraction sign, the minus sign. 5 minus, and how many beans did she take away? 1. So 5 minus 1 equals how many beans were left? 4. So 5 take away 1 equals 4. Good job, boys and girls. Do not erase it from your paper, but I'm going to erase it from mine. Okay, and let's do another one. All right, here we go. So now let's pick some more friends to be our characters in our stories. Let's see, let's pick Jonathan. So Jonathan had, now I want you to get 8 beans. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Jonathan had 8 beans. So make sure you put 8 beans in front of you. 8 beans. And then he said, ooh, I love beans. And you know what? These were magic beans. And Jonathan said, oh my gosh, these beans are so cool. They're magic. I want to get some more. And so he decided to get 2 more beans. So he has 8 beans and he got 2 more. So get 2 more beans. And so now, boys and girls, did we add more or did we take away beans? We added more. So this is an addition story, okay? Because we had 8 beans and we add 2 more. So we're going to add them together. And so if I have 8 and 2 more, how many do we have all together? Count your beans. How many? 10. So now on your paper, I want you to write number 3. This is math problem number 3. And so now we're going to say, how many beans did we have in the beginning? How many beans did Jonathan have in the beginning? He had 8, right? 8. And we added, so we're going to use a plus sign. 8 plus how many more? 2. He got 2 more, and it equals how many beans all together because we're adding them together? 10. So that's our addition sentence. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Good job, boys and girls. So now let's put our beans back, and don't erase it from your paper, but I'm going to erase it from mine. And so let's do another story. You guys are doing great. Thank you for sending me your work. Miss Ayala checks all of your work, so thank you for sending those in. You're going to have to send this in also, okay? So now let's see. Who else am I going to pick for characters? How about Yarlene? Yarlene had 6 beans. So go ahead and get 6 of your beans. So have 6 beans in front of you. Okay, so Yarlene had 6 beans. And so she said, ooh, I love beans. And so she decides to cook some of them. Now she did not want to cook all of them. She wanted to save some. So she said, I have 6 beans and I'm going to cook 3 of them. So she took 3 of them and took them to a pot and cooked them. How many beans does she have left? 3. So she had 6 beans in the beginning. She took away 3 of the beans. How many were left? 3. So is this addition or subtraction? It is subtraction because we're taking away a quantity. So now let's write the subtraction sentence. And this is going to be math problem number 4. Okay, so now let's write it. How many beans did Yarlene have in the beginning? 6. And so we're going to take away, so we're going to use the minus sign. 6 take away. How many did we take away? How many did Yarlene cook? 3. So take away 3. And it equals how many were left? 3. Good job, boys and girls. So here's our subtraction sentence. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Good job. Put your beans back. Please do not erase yours. I'm just erasing mine. All right. So for this next one, let's pick some more characters for our stories. Let's see. Let's pick Luis. So Luis has, let's do 10 beans. So go ahead and put 10 beans in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beans. Make sure you have 10 beans in front of you. Okay. Oops, I forgot my plus sign and my minus sign. Okay, so Luis has 10 beans and he decides to get some more. These are also magic beans for Luis, and he decides to get some more beans, and he decides to get 4 more beans. Oh my goodness, so I have 10 beans and he decides to get 4 more. So get 4 more beans. 4 more beans, boys and girls. So I have 10 and 4 more. Wow, that's a lot of beans. Now, did I take away beans? Nope, I added some more beans. So is this addition or subtraction? It is addition. So we're going to use the plus sign. We're adding them together. And so when I add them together, how many do I have all together? Remember, I have 10 and 4 more. Remember your numbers in the tens. I have a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. So how many do I have all together? 14. I have 14 beans. And so now let's write this addition story. And this is number 5. Okay. And so how many beans did Luis have to begin with? How many did he have in the beginning? He had 10. Okay. And then we added, so we're going to use the plus sign. How many more? 4. And it equals how many altogether? How many beans did he have altogether? 14. Okay. So then there's our addition sentence. 10 plus 4 equals 14. All right, boys and girls, so that was 5 addition and subtraction sentences. Please make sure you send me your work, send me a picture of your work, and Miss Ayala is so proud of you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.